What up? It's your boy Kid Napkin, and today we're taking it back. Taking all the way back to episode 1, kinda. We are doing Dollar Tree snack sticks. And this one intrigued me a fair amount. The habanero barbecue beef stick. Crafted from our 100% grass-fed beef. Landcrafted foods. You know, this doesn't look like a bad stick of beef right here. Or whatever process messes in there. And this is the mega size original. 9-gram protein per serving. Trail's best. Original snack stick. Made with beef and chicken, smoke flavor added. Yeah, it looks like a Slim Jim. It's sadder. Alright, let's get this shit started. You know, that does smell good. It smells like, I don't know, real beef jerky. But, you know, what can you do? That's a damn good meat stick. It's delicious. Not commenting on the heat yet. I was waiting to see if it's going to kick in or not. I mean, I feel a little tingling sensation. It's not really burning though, which is good. Yeah, not terribly hot. Yeah, man. I recommend that. It's only $1. Tastes good. Got a good snap from the casing, like sausage. Real good, real good. And now let's try the. You gotta sip real quick. All right. Okay. Mine said that. All right. Well, that didn't work, so we'll just go with what we have. I'm not a big fan of this. This isn't really good. Came in, I thought it was going to be like Slim Jim. Does taste like a Slim Jim, but without like any of the actual flavor, no spice. It just tastes like grease and like whatever processed animal parts they threw in there. It's not real good. It's boring. Got kind of a dog shit aftertaste. Like, it's real weird. It's not something I'd recommend. Just buy a damn Slim Jim. Kind of want to go in for another one just to make sure that my. Oh, hell. That's misery. Oh, I don't care how much you hate yourself. Don't buy those. You don't need that. Don't do that to yourself. Oh, that's gross. Excuse me. Well, I'm gonna finish this. This is good. You would have thought it was like a dollar store beef jerky. So I'm gonna finish this and drink that Fuji apple, and then see you next episode.